Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. So today we are going to solve a very interesting problem from HackerRank, and the name of this problem is height of a binary tree. So the probably you all know what is a binary tree. Okay, binary tree. If you don't know, please check it on Google or YouTube. And uh, what is the height of a binary tree? So those who don't know the height of a binary tree, let me tell you what is the height of a binary tree. So these all are the binary trees, and this one is the best, I think so this one is nice for explanation, so I have picked it up. So this is a binary tree. Okay, so uh, what basically this is a binary search tree. So to check what is the height of the height of this binary tree, uh, uh, we need to first find the height of this root node. So the what is the height of this root node will be same as the height of the binary tree, or we can also say that the height of the binary tree is equals to the height of the root node. So how to find the height of the root node? To find the height of the root node, there is a formula called first we need to find the height of the left node, and then we need to find the height of the right node, and we need to calculate which one is the maximum height from the both, and then we need to add 1 to it. That will be the height of the root node or the node which we are calculating for. So first we need to calculate the height of the left node, then the right node. So to calculate the height of the left node, we need to calculate its height of the left node, its left node height, and its right node height. So the left node height is equals to 0. Why? Because it is not having any node down to it. Okay, how many node it is having down to it, that much height it will be having. So this is not having any height because there is no node down to it, and this node height we will count. So this node height is equals to 0, and this node height will be the maximum of these two nodes height plus 1. So maximum this node height is 0, and this node height is 0. The all the leaf nodes height are 0. So 2 is a leaf node, 5 is a leaf node, 11 is a leaf node, and 4 is a leaf node. Sorry guys, in before I have told you that this is a binary search tree. This is not a binary search tree. Okay, this is a simple binary tree. Okay, so let's come back to the height part. So the height of these two nodes are 0 0, so maximum will be of course 0. So what is the formula is maximum of left and right node height, maximum is 0 and plus 1. So height of this node is equals to maximum of these two plus 1, which is equals to 1. Okay, so the height of this node is equals to 1, height of this node was equals to 0, 2 was equals to 0. Okay, so now the max of 2 the max of 0, this height was 0 and this height was 1 in it. So 1 and 0, the max is equals to 1. So that this node height will be max of this 2, which is 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2. So the height of this node, which is the left node of the root node, will be 2. Okay, so now you will be probably saying that what the height of this node will be 2. No, the height of the root node is not, we will check it that it is 2 or not. First we need to calculate the max of these two height. We know the height of this node, which is 2, but we don't know the height of this node. So let's calculate the height of this node. So this node height will be the max of this node and its left and right node. It is not having any left node, so we will calculate its right node. The max of height of this node is, we don't know, we will calculate the height of this left node. Its height is 0 because it is a leaf node. So 0 plus 1 will be the height of this node, and 1 plus 1, because there is no opponent for this one to find the maximum, so its height will be 2, and this height is 2. Now we know 7 height, this node height, left node and right node height as well. So the max of both node height will be 2, because this is also 2, this is also 2, the max will be 2 only, plus 1, which is equals to 3. So the height of this node will be 3. Okay, so this is the root node, so the height of this node is 3. And in the beginning, if you remember, I have told you the height of the root node will be same as the height of the binary tree. So the we can say that the height of the binary tree is equals to 3, because the height of the root node is equals to 3. So let's write the code here. What will be the code? So here I will write the recursive function. This is an int function, and we need to complete this int height function, which is need to find the height of the tree. We have given the root of the tree, and to find the height of the tree, what we need to do is, I will calculate the height of the tree's left node, which is this. This is a tree, and this left node is equals to this, and this right node will be this. So first I will calculate the height of left node, and then I will calculate the height of the right node. So to calculate the height of the left node, what I will do is, I will create an integer, and then I will make its name temp1, which will calculate the height of the left node, and its height will be the height of and its height will be equals to the height of root dot left. We can say that root arrow left. Okay, so this is a recursive function which will return the height of the left node, and we will calculate the height of the, we need to calculate the height of the right node also. So temp2, we will calculate the height. To calculate the height of the left node, we will create a integer temp2, and the same thing we will do it again, but we need to calculate the height of the left node, so we will write the right here. Okay, so now we got the height of both nodes, and so this is a recursive function, so we need to write an end condition also. So the end condition is equals to will be equals to, if we are at the leaf node or the root is equals to null, then we need to return. And what we need to return? We need to return -1, because I will tell you why we are returning -1 in this line. So what we need to return here is, in this function we need to return an integer. So we will return the, as I have told you the formula for this one. The formula was max of left node we have taken temp1, comma right node, which is we have taken temp2 and plus 1. Okay, so we will return the plus 1. Okay, so we will return the height of this node. Okay, so why, and now the part come why we have taken -1. Okay, so if we are at the leaf node, then we will return. Okay, so we will return, but we are adding 1. So if we will return here 0, suppose we are returning 0, so 1 we will return here 0. Suppose this is a leaf node, we will return here 0, but if we will return 0 plus 1 will be 1. So we will return that the height of this node is equals to 1, but which is not correct. The height of this node is 0 because it is a leaf node. Okay, so we will return a -1, so that we will know that this is a leaf node and its height will be -1 plus 1, which is 0. Okay, now you got the logic why we are getting why we have written -1 here. So let me submit it. Hopefully we will get a correct answer on it. Yeah, we got a correct answer. Yes. So congratulations to all. If you got to know something from this video, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be posting the videos of practice problem from HackerRank as well as the latest going contest problems tutorial. And if you need the if you also need any problem solution in video, you can comment me down to tell the solution of those videos. Till then, keep watching, keep coding. Bye bye.